Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook fan page for your business. To do this, all you have to do is visit this URL facebook.com/business, and once you go to facebook.com/business, you'll be landed on a page like this. You'll see this small blue button with create an ad on the top right hand side corner of your browser. All you have to do is just click on this downward arrow link and you'll see a small link appearing as create a page. Click on this link, create a page. And by the way, you'll have to be logged into your Facebook account to do this. If not, you'll be asked to enter your email address and password to log into your Facebook account at this stage. Now, in this screen, you'll see several options for you to create a Facebook fan page. You'll see the two broader categorizations for creating a Facebook fan page: business or a brand, or you can create a page for a community or for a public figure. So you have to be 100% aware of for which entity you are going to create a Facebook fan page. Is it for a business that you own, or is it a brand that you manage, or is it for a public figure, a politician, a musician, or just a community like a page for your church? Right. So let's get started. I'm going to create a dummy page for you to follow me under business or brand category. So I'm going to get started with business or brand. I click on get started and now I'm on a screen like this. Now I have to give a name for my page. I'm going to give a name. You have to spell your page name correctly. Right. And more importantly, now you have to create a category for your brand. Now, keep in mind, when you are selecting the category, that category must represent your business. If you are creating a page, Facebook fan page for a coffee shop, make it a local business, right? So since I'm going to create this Facebook fan page for a blog or a website, I'm going to categorize it as a website. I select website and then I go and click continue. Can you see this button? Continue. Right. You click on it and wait for the page to load. Right. Now you have created the page. The next thing that you are going to do here is you can upload a profile picture for your page. The interface will prompt you to upload a profile picture. So you can either skip this at this point. You can later update a Facebook profile picture for your page, or you can click upload a profile picture and select a Facebook profile picture from your computer. So I'm going to select this image for the moment, but keep in mind, when you're selecting a profile picture for your brand, it has to represent your identity. Ideally, it must be your logo or some icon which your customers can recognize your business. Now you can upload a cover photo. Again, you can skip or you can upload it here. So let me see what are, I don't have any saved pictures here. Let me check on desktop. Right. So I'm going to add this Coca-Cola cover for the moment. Right. With that, you are done. Okay, for some reason my cover photo hasn't got saved, so I'm going to add a cover photo again. So from here you can actually choose from your photos. Now since this is a newly created photo, there won't be any photos from your page, so you have to upload photos, videos. I'm going to upload the Coca-Cola image again. Yes, now you can drag the photo, right, and then click save. Now I've created a Facebook fan page with a Coca-Cola cover photo and a coffee mug as a profile picture. So Coke and coffee won't go together, but then again, so I'm just demonstrating you how to create your page. Now, once you do that, now you have done creating your page. Now you can start posting content by clicking on this location. This is a text status update, right? You can publish it, or you can either schedule it, backdate it. So I'm going to publish it now. Yes, this is a text update, and you can upload images. This is, I mean, as simple as what you do with your personal Facebook profile. It's not rocket science. Managing a Facebook fan page is not rocket science. If you know how to work with your Facebook profiles, personal profile, it's the same interface that you have. You can upload photos. Click on this, upload photos or videos. The same interface. So I'm going to upload another photo from here. Okay, let me check. Yes, let me check. I'm going to upload this image. I'm going to type a status. This is just dummy status, right? You don't have to do this. Right. And I hit publish. Uploading. And you're done. So now in this video, what I did was I did a small demonstration about how to create a Facebook fan page in very few easy steps. Now, if you are one of those people who subscribed for one of my workshops conducted by Asia Pacific Institute of Digital Marketing, or a training program conducted by Apidem, I want you to watch this video and create your own Facebook fan page. If you haven't done already, create your own Facebook fan page according to the step-by-step guideline that I have given here, and come to the workshop, because in the workshop we are going to do a lot more, right? So we are not going to spend time in walking you through creating a Facebook fan page. You will have to come to the workshop after you create a Facebook fan page, going through this demonstration, this tutorial, and at the workshop we'll do a lot more about your Facebook fan page. We'll learn about how to optimize your organic reach for your Facebook fan page, and we'll learn about how to run ads, how to create beautiful images for your Facebook fan page. All that will be in the workshop. But when you come to the workshop, I want you to create your own Facebook fan page and come, because we won't have time to do that at the training session. Thank you very much.